Okay, for question 12c, we are given this formula in this equation in the question at the start. So in 12 part C, we are supposed to make y the subject. Alright, make y the subject. So okay, make y subject. Alright, and then before we do substitution or to calculate the value of y. Alright, so what we can do here, we can try to take out the term y squared. So for this equation, we multiply by p on both sides of the equation. We'll get 3np. Okay, and then we divide by m on both sides of the equation. Okay, and we can isolate the term, make y squared the subject, because we are trying to get y, so we can get make y squared the subject, and become nx minus 3np over m. Okay, actually at this step onwards, what you can do, what you can do is to do the substitution with the values of m, n, p, and x that is given in the question. Alright, or you can choose to do a square root on both sides to get y first, then you substitute and calculate. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take square root on both sides of this equation. So y okay, so that I will get y equals to plus minus square root nx minus 3np over m. Okay, whenever you take square root on both sides of any equation, remember it's possible to have a positive and a negative root. Alright, that's why we always use a plus minus. So then after this step we can do substitution. So m equals to 5, n equals to 4, p equals to 15, and x equals to 42. So y equals to plus minus 4 times 42 minus 3 times 4 times 15 over 5. Okay, and I square root the whole substitution here. So with your calculator, okay, you should be able to get y equals to plus minus of square root 132. Okay, underneath this square root sign. So y will be equals to 11.48912. This is a positive square root 132, and then negative square root 132. Okay, negative 11.48912, and round off to 3 significant figures, 11.5, and round off to 3 SF, negative 11.5. Alright, we have two solutions here.